Hi babies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your vibe queen here again, and I'm back with another video. If you are new to my channel, welcome here. My name is Agnes, but you can call me Belzee or the vibe queen. And if you're a returning subscriber, you know what's up. You're the real OG. So yeah, I know I've been away YouTube for like the longest. I'm going to tell you guys why, but not in this video because that's not what this video is all about. I'll probably make a video why I've been off or away for long. So yeah, basically from the title of this video, you already know what this video is all about. And first, I'll be starting by saying Happy New Year to you guys. So the first thing we're going to be doing is reflecting on our 2023 goals to know what I achieved and just reflect on our goals. So guys, I didn't really do like a vision board last year because I didn't know what it was then. I'm just getting to know how to make a vision board and how to do it. So basically what I do, I always write down my goals and what I want to accomplish on my notes. So that's why I have it on my notes. So I'm going to be telling you guys my goals that I set for 2023 and the ones that I've been able to accomplish. So the first thing here is continue my prayers and always turn to God first. And I think I did that very well because I know like I put God first this year throughout everything and he really came through for me. The second thing here is to be consistent with the gym. I don't even think I stepped my leg in the gym last year because I know I wouldn't have survived it, so I didn't do that. So the next thing here to take care of my family, and I know I did that to a reasonable extent. I took care of my family the best way I could. Then the next thing here was to go for my event planning school or decoration school. You guys know that I'm into like all this decoration stuff, so I wanted to like go to a school and like improve myself and all of that, but I wasn't able to do it. So that's by the way. Then the next thing here was to manage my business well, which I did very well. I know that I gave my business my all in 2023 and it's like it grew very well. So yeah, I did that. Next on my list was to go for driving classes and I did that. I went for my driving classes. So yeah, I got that done. Next thing was to get a place and furnish it. You guys already know that I did that. I have a video and I'm going to be putting the link up so you can watch it if you've not watched it. So yeah, I did that. Then the next thing here is to try to upload twice a week for my channel so I can get monetized. But I wasn't even able to do that. I didn't even really take YouTube serious last year. So, but I think I'm working towards it now. But maybe I won't do twice. I'll just try once a week, like every Friday, like I've been doing it. Aside this one that is coming on New Year. So I'll just start with that first, then see where we'll go from next year. Then the next thing here was to do my passport and leave the country. We'll put that in this year's goal. We didn't do that in 2023. Then the next thing here was to go way harder on my business and never miss any opportunity. And I did that. I didn't miss any opportunity for my business. Any trade fair that I saw that was worth it, I'm sure that I participated. I was always posting my business and putting it out there. So yeah, I did that. Then get 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. I didn't do that. I wasn't able to reach 1,000 subscribers on YouTube this year. I think I just need like 50 more or 40 something more to get to 1K. So if you're watching this video and you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel right now so that I can get 1K subscribers now or more. Then the next thing here was to get 4K watch hours on YouTube. You guys know before you get monetized on YouTube, you have to reach like 4K watch hours, and I wasn't able to reach that. But this year, I'm planning to be consistent so I can get my 4K watch hours and then I can get monetized. Though monetization is not like the main thing I'm doing this YouTube, but if it comes, more money. So yeah. Then the next thing here was to make more money, and I did that. I made more money this year than I've ever made. My business grew and a lot of things. So that's it basically. Then the next thing here was to go out more and be happy. I don't think I really went out so much this year. I was really indoor this year. It's just like when the year was coming to an end, I even started going out just sometimes. So I didn't really do that this year, but 2024 I'm going to go out more often and all of that. Then the next thing here is to listen and write my affirmations, and I did that. But I didn't do it the whole of the year. I did it like the beginning and the middle part. I stayed very consistent till life happened and I just stopped. Then the next thing here was to keep your relationships healthy, and not all my relationships were healthy this year, and the ones that were healthy, I tried my best to keep it healthy. So yeah, these are the goals I set for myself in 2023, and I've been able to tell you guys the ones that I achieved and the ones that I was able to achieve. I'm grateful actually that I was able to accomplish some things for 2023, and I'm going to work harder to make sure that I accomplish more things in 2024, not just by writing it down or putting it down somewhere and not working towards it. But I'm going to actually be working towards it this year so that I will achieve almost all my goals for 2024. Another thing that I'm not really happy about is how I did not take YouTube serious in 2023, but it's not even my fault. I'll still blame myself, but it's not my fault per se. But that's by the way. Now I'm here, I'm going to do better. So yeah, I'm grateful for the things I was able to achieve last year. New Year resolutions for 2024. I'm going to be saying them and probably tell you guys how I'm going to be working towards it. Do you understand? To be able to achieve it. The first thing here is to learn how to install my hair properly. You know, when you see all those videos of that girls that are making their hairs, they're able to show you guys how to do the installation, blah 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 blah. So I'm going to learn how to install my hair properly. It's not that I don't know how to install my hair, I know how to do it, but I know if I do it, I will still be seeing. You know when they say where is the lace, you can still see the lace there.
Sometimes the girlies are like, lace where? But I see the lace. I see the lace.
So I'm going to try to perfect how to install my hair. I will watch more videos on YouTube. I'm going to watch more TikTok videos, just basically, and get the equipment and just keep practicing. So yeah, that's it basically. Then the next thing here is to master my driving. I told you guys that last year I went for my driving classes. So this year I'm going to try to master it so that my hand will be very, very strong and I can be zooming off to anywhere that I want to go to. Then the next thing here is to stop soda. You guys, soda has almost killed me, like ended my life. And I fell in love with Coke the ending of last year, and it was so bad that it was really, really affecting me. So now I'm going to try not to take anything soda this year from January to December. So help me God. Then the next thing here is to take my vitamins seriously. I always take my vitamins, but I don't take much. I just have one vitamin C that I use like that. But there's this other vitamin that I saw that I want to also implement in my routine. So yeah, I'm going to be taking my vitamins seriously this year every day, and I'm going to follow it up. Then the next thing here is to get a puppy. I don't know how it will happen though. Whether I buy or whether it's gift or whether it's to go and carry somebody's own on the road though, but I'll try to get a puppy. I hope it happens. So if you are watching this and you want to gift me a puppy, you can. But I'll try to get myself a puppy this year. Uh-huh. Oh, you guys, my house is just opposite the mosque. So you'll be hearing this sound here. Next thing on my list is to have a good sleep schedule. You guys, my sleeping schedule this year was really, really bad. I can sleep by 2 a.m. I can stay awake till 6 a.m. It was that bad, and then my day would just be disfigured and all of that. So I'm going to work towards having a sleep schedule, go to bed early so that I can wake up very, very early. The next thing here is to try to go to church every Sunday. I wasn't really going to church every Sunday. I Because the church I attend is actually very far from my house. So I was joining online. The days, like the Sundays that I can't go to church, I do online service. But now I want to try to go to church every Sunday, not to join online. Maybe for midweek services and every other thing I can do online, but like on Sundays to always go to church. So I hope that works out for me. The next thing here is to get new gadgets. So I want to upgrade my phone. I want to get myself an iPad or a MacBook Pro, any of them. So yeah, I'll be working towards maybe saving, and yeah, I'll just be saving towards it and see when I get it in the year. Then the next thing here is to go out more and take pictures. Like I said last year, I didn't really go out because last year was a really bad year for me. But 2024, I'm going to try to go out more often, and probably every month go on a dinner or with my friends, or go like just go for fun, just something, swimming, just anything. I'll just try to go out more and take pictures for 2024. Then the next thing here is to read books. But I'm just putting it here to try to challenge myself. But I don't know how it's going to be. I don't know the kind of books that I would really, really want to venture in. But I don't really want it to be all this romance book or anything. Maybe like self growth books and stuffs like that. And I would just maybe start with one, maybe one in 2 months is not bad because I'm not the reading type. So 1 in 2 months is not that bad. We'll see how it goes from there. So if you know any self growth book that I can read, maybe you should suggest for me in the comment section below, and then I could start with that one. Then the next thing on my list is to post consistently on YouTube. So, like I said, last year I didn't really take YouTube seriously because it was a whole lot for me. So, I'm going to try to post more consistently and maybe shoot videos ahead of time so that I won't run out of videos. Do you understand? So, yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing to be consistent and try to post once every week. I'll just try my best. I really need to do it. I really, really need to do it. The next on my list is to post consistently on TikTok and Instagram. That's for my business. My TikTok account blew last year. I have a lot of followers, and I want to with TikTok. I don't know. I think if you stay idle for some time, it will start shadow banning you and you'll be losing followers and all of that, because I know I was like at 40K followers, but now it's reducing to like, I think it's like 37.4, 34.7 around that. I don't really remember. But yeah, my TikTok account blew last year. So I'm going to try to be more consistent, to always put out content out there. Also for IG, to grow my business account and all of that. I'm going to try to always make content for my business page, to never let it be idle. So yeah, that's it basically. Next thing on the list is to work out consistently and go to the gym. So last year I really wanted to work out, but like I said, a lot, I went through a lot last year and a lot went through me. So I wasn't able to do that. But this year I'm going to be working out consistently, and I've already found a gym that is very, very close to my house, like inside my estate. So I don't even have to pay transport to say that I'm going to the gym. So it's going to be a good thing for me. I wake up, I go to the gym. So yeah, I'll try to be working out like 4 to 5 times, 4 to 5 times in a week, and stay consistent with time. Maybe I get to reduce like 3 times like that in a week. I just want to keep fit. Do you understand? It's not like I'm big and I want to reduce, or I'm small, I want to add. I'm okay with my shape. I just want to be in fit and like be in check. Then the next thing is to drink lots of water. I don't really drink lots of water like that, which I know is very, very bad. So now I'm going to try to be drinking lots of water in a day, because it's actually good for my system and my skin. So I'm going to like keep to that. I've been working towards it, just that sometimes I do it for like a very long time and then sometimes I'll now stop. But now I'm trying not to stop. I'll just do it consistently. Basically, these are my New Year resolutions for 2024, the ones I'm going to be putting out there. I have some personal ones that is just for me. Maybe at the end of the year, you will get to know about it. But yeah, these are the ones that I can put out there. I'm going to set reminder on my phone first of every 3 months, maybe March, June, July, August, March, 1st of March, 1st of August, and 1st of October, or 1st of November. Yeah. So 1st of March, 1st of October, and 1st of November, I'm going to like put this reminder so I can always go back to these goals that I've written down and make sure that I'm actually working towards it and I didn't just write it and not working it. So like to hold myself accountable, do you understand? Or maybe go out with my friend and we can talk about what we've been able to achieve so far, the ones we've not been able to achieve, what we can do to achieve them, or what we need to increase or reduce. Do you understand? The funny thing is, I've already done my vision board before I thought about doing this video. I'm just going to post it up on the page, and probably you guys will just see it. And yeah, that's it basically. So these are my goals for 2024, and I hope you guys have written your own goals. If you have not, you should do that now. And if you are also looking for someone to help you to be accountable for your goals or to know if you are really working towards it, you can always come back to this video and leave a comment, and then we'll see, like I'll reply obviously, and then that's it basically. So this is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment below in the comment section, and subscribe if you have not subscribed at this point, so you help me achieve one of my goals to get to 1,000 subscribers or more. So yeah, see you guys next week Friday. Mwah. Bye.